Hello everyone. We start manufacturing industry. Welcome in next topic that is industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Industrial pollution clear those things which pollute our environment and degrade our environment. So we read about the industries, raw material industries and mineral waste industries. These type of industries also pollute our environment. So firstly, there are the four type of pollution in our environment. That firstly is air pollution. Air pollution caused by the industrial gases, caused by the high proportion of the undesirable gases diffused in the atmosphere by vehicle and industries. Those gases which came from the industries also pollute our environment. Smoke came from the chimneys of the industries. They mix with gases, they mix with environment and pollute our environment. So industries are the main cause of air pollution. Next is water pollution. How our water is polluted? The main causes for water pollution is organic and inorganic industrial waste effluents discharges into the river. Those things which are not in proper way, waste things of the industrial also put in the water that pollute our environment. Next is thermal pollution. Thermal power means those electricity which produce with coal. That also pollute our environment. Firstly, draining of hot water from factories and power plants into the river before cooking contaminates groundwater. Thermal power also pollute our environment because the water from these factories also met in the rivers. That's why river water is polluted. Next is noise pollution. Caused by, how noise pollution is caused? Noise pollution is caused by unwanted sound from industries and construction activities that polluted our environment. So students, we read how our environment is polluted. Our environment is polluted by four ways. There are the four ways of the pollution. One is air pollution that caused by different gases come from the chimneys of the industries. Second is water pollution, how our water is polluted, waste material of industries are thrown into the river. Next is thermal pollution, in which water from factories and power plants into the river before cooling contaminates groundwater. Then noise pollution. The main cause of noise pollution are unwanted sound of the industries and construction activities. We read about pollution. Now, what are the main effects of these pollution on our health? Firstly, we read air pollution. Air pollution, when different types of gases mix with air and we breathe, then we cannot run a long ride. We have not a long life because we breathe unpolluted air. Next is water pollution. How water pollution occurs, we read in this. Or inorganic and organic waste effluents discharges into the river. But what are the effects of water pollution on our health? Firstly, it treat to aquatic life. Second, different types of diseases occur such as diarrhea and dengue. Then next is thermal pollution. Which type of how thermal pollution is affecting our life? It causes birth defects and cancer. Next is noise pollution. What are the main effects of noise pollution on our health? It causes hearing problem. Second is increased heartbeat, high blood pressure, and other psychological discharge order in our life. So friends, we read industrial pollution and environmental degradation, how it affects our life. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.